Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is the word for a group of porpoises? Is it A, a charm, B, a parliament, C, a field, or D, a school? The answer is D, a school.
A group of porpoises is called a school, much like their fishy counterparts. These intelligent marine mammals often travel in schools to enhance their hunting efficiency and protect each other from predators. Porpoises communicate using clicks and whistles, creating an underwater symphony as they navigate the ocean's depths together.
Question 2. The world was declared safe from which virus in 1979? Is it A, anthrax, B, smallpox, C, coronavirus, or D, measles? The answer is B, smallpox.
In 1979, the world celebrated a monumental achievement, the eradication of smallpox. This deadly virus, responsible for countless deaths over centuries, was vanquished through a global vaccination campaign. Smallpox is the only human disease to be completely eradicated, showcasing the power of international cooperation and scientific advancement in public health.
Question 3. Who discovered the structure of the atom? Is it A, Niels Bohr, B, Albert Einstein, C, Ernest Rutherford, or D, J. Thomson? The answer is C, Ernest Rutherford.
Ernest Rutherford, known as the father of nuclear physics, discovered the atom's structure in 1911. His gold foil experiment revealed that atoms have a small, dense nucleus surrounded by orbiting electrons. Interestingly, Rutherford once remarked that all science is either physics or stamp collecting, highlighting his passion for fundamental discoveries.
Question 4. What is geochronology the study of? Is it A, the age of the Earth, B, the biosphere and its relations to the lithosphere and atmosphere, C, the preparation of books and manuscripts, or D, the functions of the nervous system? The answer is A, the age of the Earth.
Geochronology, the science of determining Earth's age, has revealed that our planet is about 4.54 billion years old. This field uses techniques like radiometric dating, which measures radioactive decay in minerals. Fascinatingly, geochronologists have even dated moon rocks and meteorites to piece together the solar system's ancient history.
Question 5. Which of these is a hard variety of coal known for burning with little flame or smoke? Is it A, peat, B, anthracite, C, lignite, or D, bituminous? The answer is B, anthracite.
Anthracite, often called black diamond, is the oldest and most metamorphosed type of coal. Its high carbon content makes it burn cleaner than other coals, producing minimal smoke and flame. Historically, anthracite was so prized that it fueled the Industrial Revolution in America, powering steam engines and heating homes efficiently.
Question 6. What part of the body, often referred to as gristle, is important for the formation of bones? Is it A, ligament, B, tendon, C, muscle, or D, cartilage? The answer is D, cartilage.
Cartilage, often dubbed gristle, is a flexible tissue that plays a crucial role in bone formation. In embryos, cartilage serves as the blueprint for bones, gradually being replaced by bone tissue through ossification. This process allows our skeletons to grow and develop while maintaining flexibility during early life stages.
Question 7. Which chemical compounds, responsible for breaking down the ozone layer, were the subject of a 1987 treaty? Is it A. NFCs, B. CFCs, C. HFCs, or D. OFCs? The answer is B. CFCs.
In 1987, the world united to tackle a pressing environmental issue through the Montreal Protocol, targeting chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. These compounds, once popular in aerosols and refrigerants, were found to be ozone-depleting culprits. The treaty's success is celebrated as it led to significant recovery of the ozone layer and inspired global cooperation on environmental issues.
Question 8. Which of the following is a symptom of hypothyroidism? Is it A. Weight loss, B. Fatigue, C. Headache, or D. Nausea? The answer is B. Fatigue.
Fatigue, a common symptom of hypothyroidism, can make even the simplest tasks feel like climbing a mountain. This sluggishness occurs because the thyroid gland isn't producing enough hormones to regulate energy levels, leaving sufferers feeling perpetually drained. Interestingly, this condition was first described in ancient texts over 2,000 years ago.
As we orbit out of today's trivia, remember, in the universe of knowledge, curiosity is the real star. Until next time, keep your minds in motion. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Good night for now, until we cross paths again tomorrow.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.